Chapter 1. The Rise of a Legend. Temujin, later known as Genghis Khan, 1162 to 1227, founded the Mongol Empire, one of the largest and most powerful empires in human history. His relentless conquests made him a figure both revered and feared, uniting the Mongol tribes and forging a legacy that reshaped the world through military might and strategic brilliance. Chapter 2. A Harsh Childhood. Born in 1162 near the Onan River in Mongolia, Temujin was the eldest son of Yesugei, leader of the Borjigin clan, and Hoelun of the Ongerat tribe. His noble lineage gave him early influence, but his childhood was marked by hardship. At age 9, Yesugei arranged his marriage to Borta of the Ongerat and left him with her family to serve as a betrothed servant. On his return, Yesugei was poisoned by rival Tatars, leaving Temujin's family destitute and betrayed by their tribe, forcing them to wander the steppes, surviving on whatever they could find. Chapter 3. Captivity and Escape. In 1177, at age 15, Temujin was captured and enslaved by former allies of his father. His daring escape not only freed him, but also boosted his reputation among the Mongol tribes. Tribes like the Ongerat and Karayit began to see him as a leader, laying the foundation for his ambition to unify the Mongolian steppes under his rule. Chapter 4. Uniting the Mongol tribes. By 1178, Temujin married Borta, but she was kidnapped by the Merkit tribe. With the aid of his blood brother Jamuka and Togrul, leader of the Karayit, he rescued her. Borte soon gave birth to Yochi, whose paternity was questioned due to her captivity, but Temujin raised him as his own, defying Mongol tradition. Tensions with Jamuka over leadership culminated in the Battle of Dalan Baljut, 1193, where Temujin's forces suffered heavy losses. Jamuka's brutal treatment of prisoners alienated his allies, many of whom defected to Temujin, bolstering his growing coalition. Chapter 5. Defeating Rivals. From 1198 to 1204, Temujin and Togrul systematically subdued rival tribes, including the Merkit and Naiman. Exploiting internal Naiman discord, Temujin, with allies like Mukhali, defeated their leader Taiyang Khan. When the remaining tribes united under Jamuka, proclaiming him Gur Khan, Temujin and Togrul decisively crushed them. Jamuka fled to the Naiman, but his betrayal led to his capture and execution by Temujin, who also executed Togrul's son Sengum for plotting against him. By 1205, Temujin emerged as the sole leader of the Mongol tribes. Chapter 6. Proclaimed Genghis Khan. In 1206, at the Kurultai Council, Temujin was unanimously proclaimed Genghis Khan, meaning universal ruler in Mongolian. He sent his son Yochi to secure the allegiance of remaining tribes, formally establishing the Mongol Empire. With a unified nation, Genghis Khan set his sights on conquest, targeting neighboring powers like the Jin dynasty, Western Xia, Liao, and Southern Song. Chapter 7. Conquest of Western Xia. Genghis Khan began his campaigns against Western Xia in 1205, seeking his fugitive rival, Sengum. By 1209, he launched a full-scale invasion. The Xia Emperor, Lianquan, sought aid from the Jin dynasty, who dismissed the threat, believing Mongol-Xia conflict benefited them. Genghis Khan diverted the Yellow River to flood the Xia capital, Ningxia, but its defenses held. After months of siege, Western Xia surrendered in 1210, agreeing to vassalage and later aiding the Mongols against the Jin. Chapter 8. War against the Jin dynasty. In 1211, Genghis Khan launched a campaign against the Jin dynasty of the Yurshan. At the Battle of Yahuling, Jin general Wanyan Chengji's tactical errors led to the slaughter of over 100,000 Jin troops by Genghis Khan's 100,000 Mongols. From 1211 to 1214, the Mongols ravaged northern China, capturing Shenyang and nearing the Jin capital, Zhongdu, modern Beijing. In 1215, after the Jin emperor Xuanzong broke a tribute agreement, Genghis Khan seized Zhongdu, leaving his general Mukhali to govern the north while he turned westward. Chapter 9. Conquest of the Khwarezmian Empire. In 1218, Genghis Khan sought trade with the Khwarezmian Empire under Shah Muhammad II, sending a diplomatic caravan. The governor of Otrar, Inalchuk, imprisoned and killed the envoys, prompting Genghis Khan to launch a three-pronged invasion in 1219. His sons Chagatai, Ogadai, and Yochi, along with generals Jebe and Subutai, overwhelmed Khwarezmian forces. Cities like Bukhara and Samarkand fell, and Muhammad fled, pursued by Jebe and Subutai until his death. By 1220, the Khwarezmian Empire was annexed, showcasing Genghis Khan's ruthless efficiency. Chapter 10. Final Campaigns and Legacy. After Khwarezm, Genghis Khan sent Jebe and Subutai to raid Kievan Ruses in the Caucasus, gathering intelligence for future invasions. In 1225, he returned to Western Xia to punish their refusal to provide troops. By 1227, the Mongols besieged Ningxia, devastating the Xia. On August 18, 1227, days before Xia's surrender, Genghis Khan died, possibly from a fall, old age, or poisoning. The cause remains uncertain. His son Ogadai succeeded him as Great Khan. Genghis Khan's empire, spanning from China to Persia, transformed global trade and warfare, leaving a legacy of conquest and unity that echoes through history.